We live in a digital age. Information flows constantly. Every second, data is being generated, shared, and consumed at an unprecedented rate. From social media updates to financial transactions, our lives are intertwined with digital information. But with this constant flow of data, a critical question arises. But how do we know this information is trustworthy? In a world where data breaches and misinformation are rampant, trust has become a precious commodity. We need to ensure that the information we rely on is accurate and secure. This is not just a technical challenge but a fundamental issue that affects every aspect of our digital lives. This is where blockchain comes in. Blockchain technology offers a new way to establish trust in the digital world. By creating a decentralized and immutable ledger, blockchain ensures that data cannot be altered or tampered with. Each transaction is recorded in a block and linked to the previous one, forming a chain that is transparent and secure. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology. It has the potential to transform industries and redefine how we interact with digital information. From finance to healthcare, supply chain to voting systems, blockchain can provide a level of trust and transparency that was previously unimaginable. It has the potential to change the way we live and work. Imagine a world where financial transactions are instant and secure, where supply chains are transparent and efficient, and where personal data is protected and private. Blockchain can make this vision a reality. Imagine a world with more secure transactions, transparent systems, and increased trust. Blockchain can enable secure voting systems, ensuring that every vote is counted and cannot be tampered with. It can provide a transparent supply chain, allowing consumers to trace the origin of products and ensure their authenticity. This is the promise of blockchain. It offers a new kind of trust, one that is built on transparency, security, and decentralization. By removing the need for intermediaries, blockchain can reduce costs and increase efficiency, making it a powerful tool for innovation and growth. Blockchain is still in its early stages. Like any emerging technology, it faces challenges and limitations. Scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory issues are some of the hurdles that need to be addressed. But the potential benefits far outweigh these challenges, and ongoing research and development are paving the way for a more robust and scalable blockchain ecosystem. Like the internet in the 90s, its full potential is yet to be unlocked. The internet started as a niche technology, but it has since become an integral part of our daily lives. Similarly, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with digital information, but it will take time and innovation to realize its full potential. But understanding the basics of blockchain is crucial. By educating ourselves about this technology, we can better prepare for the future. Whether you are a developer, a business professional, or simply a curious individual, learning about blockchain can open up new opportunities and empower you to navigate the digital landscape with confidence. This knowledge will empower you to navigate the digital future. As blockchain continues to evolve, staying informed and engaged will be key to leveraging its potential. By understanding how blockchain works and its applications, you can be at the forefront of this technological revolution. So, let's dive in and explore the fascinating world of blockchain. Together, we can unlock the potential of this revolutionary technology and build a more secure, transparent, and trustworthy digital future. Imagine a digital ledger. This ledger is not just any ordinary ledger, it is a revolutionary way to record and manage information. Think of it as a highly advanced spreadsheet that is duplicated thousands of times across a network of computers. This network is designed to regularly update this spreadsheet, ensuring that every copy remains identical and up to date. This ledger records information about transactions. These transactions can be anything from financial exchanges, property records, or even data transfers. Each transaction is meticulously recorded with a timestamp, ensuring that the history of the transaction is preserved forever. But unlike traditional ledgers, a blockchain is not stored in one place. Traditional ledgers are typically centralized, meaning they are controlled by a single entity or organization. This centralization can lead to vulnerabilities, such as data breaches or manipulation. It is distributed across a network of computers. This makes it decentralized. Decentralization means that the control and management of the ledger are spread across multiple nodes or computers, reducing the risk of a single point of failure. Decentralization is a key feature of blockchain. It ensures that no single entity has complete control over the entire network, promoting transparency and trust among users. It means no single entity controls the information. Instead, the power is distributed among all participants in the network, making it a truly democratic system. This makes blockchain incredibly secure. The decentralized nature of blockchain, combined with advanced cryptographic techniques, ensures that the data is protected from unauthorized access and tampering. Another important aspect is immutability. Immutability means that once data is written onto the blockchain, it cannot be changed or deleted. This feature is crucial for maintaining the integrity and trustworthiness of the data. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This ensures that the transaction history remains transparent and verifiable by anyone at any time. This creates a permanent and tamper-proof record. The combination of decentralization, security, and immutability makes blockchain a powerful tool for a wide range of applications, from finance to supply chain management and beyond. Think of a Google Doc. Imagine you and your friends are working on a shared document. You can all access it at the same time, make edits, and see each other's changes instantly. This collaborative environment is seamless and efficient. Multiple people can access and edit it simultaneously. This means that no matter where you are in the world, as long as you have an internet connection, you can contribute to the document. It's a perfect example of real-time collaboration. Everyone has a copy of the document. This ensures that all participants are on the same page, literally and figuratively. There's no need to worry about outdated versions or missing information because everyone sees the same thing. Any changes are reflected in real time for everyone to see. This instant update mechanism keeps everyone informed and engaged. Blockchain works similarly, but instead of a document, it's a digital ledger that records transactions. It's like a shared, constantly updated ledger. Just as you can see edits in a Google Doc, blockchain participants can see transaction updates. This transparency is crucial for trust and security. Each block in the chain is like a page in the document. These blocks are linked together in a chronological order, creating a chain of information that is immutable and secure. Every time a transaction occurs, it's like adding a new line to the document. This new line is then visible to everyone, ensuring that all participants have the most up-to-date information. Everyone on the network has a copy of this document, ensuring transparency and accountability. This decentralized nature of blockchain means that no single entity has control over the entire network, making it a robust and reliable system for recording transactions. Let's break down how a transaction is added to the blockchain. First, someone requests a transaction like sending cryptocurrency. Next, computers on the network, called nodes, verify the transaction using complex algorithms. Once verified, the transactions are grouped together into a block. Finally, the new block is added to the blockchain and linked to the previous block, creating a chronological chain. This process ensures that all transactions are legitimate and securely recorded. Cryptography is at the heart of blockchain security. It uses complex mathematical functions to secure data. Each block is linked to the previous block using a unique cryptographic signature. This creates a tamper-proof chain. If someone tries to alter a transaction in a block, the cryptographic signature changes. This immediately alerts the entire network to the attempted fraud. This makes blockchain extremely secure and resistant to tampering. Section 6. Why blockchain matters. Blockchain offers several advantages over traditional systems. Security, decentralization, and cryptography make blockchain extremely secure. Transparency. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain, visible to everyone on the network. Efficiency. Blockchain eliminates intermediaries, streamlining processes and reducing costs. Trust. The tamper-proof nature of blockchain builds trust among participants. These features have the potential to revolutionize various industries. Section 7. Blockchain beyond Bitcoin. While blockchain is often associated with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, its applications extend far beyond. Here are a few examples. Smart contracts, self-executing contracts that automate agreements. Supply chain management, tracking products from origin to consumer, ensuring transparency and authenticity. Voting systems, secure and transparent voting platforms that prevent fraud. As blockchain technology evolves, we can expect even more innovative use cases to emerge. Section 8. Blockchain myths debunked. There are some common misconceptions about blockchain. Blockchain is only for cryptocurrencies. False. Blockchain has applications across various industries. Blockchain is completely anonymous false. While transactions can be pseudonymous, they are still traceable on the blockchain. Blockchain is too complex. While the technology can be complex, understanding the basic concepts is accessible to anyone. It's important to separate fact from fiction when learning about blockchain. Section 9. The future is decentralized. Blockchain technology holds immense potential. Its ability to create secure, transparent, and efficient systems is transforming various sectors. As we move towards a more digital world, understanding blockchain becomes increasingly important. What are your thoughts on the potential impact of blockchain? Share your opinions in the comments below.